6. Wooden resin river tables, a true statement piece. One of the most striking and luxurious wooden decor elements is the wooden resin river table. These breathtaking pieces merge the organic beauty of wood with the fluid elegance of resin, creating the illusion of a flowing river within the table. Their popularity continues to rise as they serve as both artistic masterpieces and functional furniture. What makes these tables so spectacular? Heavy checkmark, each one is a unique handcrafted masterpiece. No two wooden resin river tables are ever the same. The natural grain patterns, knots, and textures of the wood ensure that every table carries a one-of-a-kind appearance. Combined with the handcrafted resin work, these tables become individual works of art. Heavy checkmark, they balance raw natural beauty with modern artistic elements. The contrast between the organic live-edge wood and the smooth, glossy resin creates a perfect harmony between rustic charm and contemporary aesthetics. The resin can be clear, tinted, or even glow in the dark, adding an extra dimension to the piece. Heavy checkmark, they are functional while being a striking visual centerpiece. These tables are not just stunning to look at, they are built to be durable and practical. Whether used as dining tables, coffee tables, or office desks, they elevate any space with their elegance. Heavy checkmark, endless customization possibilities, from the type of wood used to the color and style of the resin. These tables can be customized to match any decor theme. Some artisans even incorporate metallic pigments, embedded objects, or LED lighting to enhance the river effect. Wooden resin tables represent the perfect blend of nature and innovation, proving that wood can be both timeless and cutting-edge. They are more than furniture. They are conversation starters and artistic expressions that bring warmth and sophistication to any environment. Conclusion: why wooden decorative pieces are timeless and meaningful. Wood is more than just a building material. It's a canvas for creativity, craftsmanship, and artistry. From intricately hand-carved sculptures to glow-in-the-dark resin tables, wooden decorative pieces showcase the incredible versatility of wood. Unlike mass-produced decor, handcrafted wooden pieces carry a depth of character and authenticity that make them stand out. What makes wooden decor so special? Heavy checkmark, it carries warmth, history, and artistic craftsmanship. Wood has been used in art and furniture making for centuries, and each piece carries a sense of tradition and natural warmth. The craftsmanship involved in shaping and designing these pieces reflects deep artistry and skill. Heavy checkmark, each piece tells a story, whether it's a wooden sculpture, a handcrafted table, or a beautifully carved panel. Wooden decor often reflects culture, nature, or human creativity. The knots and grains in the wood itself tell a story of time and growth. Heavy checkmark, it combines tradition with modern innovation. While traditional woodworking techniques have been passed down for generations, modern innovations like resin infusion, laser engraving, and digital carving tools have expanded the creative possibilities for wooden decor. Heavy checkmark, durability and sustainability. Unlike synthetic materials, well-crafted wooden decor pieces can last for generations. Many artisans now focus on using reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood, making these pieces an eco-friendly choice for home decoration. Heavy checkmark, versatility across different styles. Whether you prefer the rustic charm of live-edge wood, the sleek look of minimalist designs, or the bold statement of intricate carvings, wooden decor fits seamlessly into any interior design style. No matter your style, whether it's modern minimalism, rustic charm, or contemporary luxury, wooden decorative pieces remain a timeless way to bring elegance and character into any space. Investing in wooden decor is not just about enhancing aesthetics. It's about appreciating craftsmanship, sustainability, and the unique beauty that nature provides. So, the next time you look at a beautifully crafted wooden piece, remember, you're not just looking at wood. You're looking at a masterpiece shaped by nature and perfected by human hands, carrying with it a legacy of artistry and tradition that will never go out of style. Unique wooden decorative pieces, timeless elegance, and artistic expression. Wood has long been a symbol of warmth, tradition, and artistry. But when crafted into decorative pieces, it transforms beyond a simple material into expressions of creativity, craftsmanship, and natural elegance. Whether incorporated into modern interiors, rustic homes, or luxury spaces, wooden decorative pieces bring a sense of harmony and authenticity, making them timeless additions to any setting. In this script, we'll explore some of the most stunning and unique wooden decorative pieces, uncovering their artistic value, craftsmanship, and the way they enhance the aesthetics of a space. Each of these wooden masterpieces has a distinct charm, bringing together tradition, innovation, and natural beauty. Hand-carved wooden sculptures, the mark of true craftsmanship. Hand-carved wooden sculptures are among the most respected and intricate wooden decorative pieces. Each sculpture represents not just a carving, but a story, painstakingly brought to life through the hands of a skilled artisan. The process of carving wood is incredibly delicate. It requires precision, patience, and a deep understanding of the wood's grain, texture, and behavior. The artist begins with a raw wooden block and gradually sculpts it into a detailed and lifelike form, whether it's a realistic animal figure, a symbolic abstract design, or a miniature representation of a cultural or historical figure. Why are hand-carved wooden sculptures so special? Heavy checkmark. Each piece is unique, carrying the artist's personal touch. Heavy checkmark. They showcase exceptional craftsmanship, with every tiny detail adding life and movement to the sculpture. Heavy checkmark. They bring cultural and artistic value, as many designs reflect regional traditions, folklore, or deep symbolism. From small figurines to large statement pieces, hand-carved wooden sculptures can transform any space into an artistic and soulful environment. Their beauty lies not only in their form, but in the story of how they are made and the meaning they hold. 2. 3D layered wooden wall art, the magic of depth and texture. When it comes to wall decor, paintings and prints are common choices, but 3D layered wooden art offers a unique dimension that makes walls come alive. These wooden artworks are created by carefully layering multiple wooden pieces, forming a three-dimensional effect that changes with light and perspective. One of the most popular styles of 3D wooden wall art is geometric layering. This involves cutting and stacking pieces of wood in precise angles and shapes, forming visually striking designs. Some common themes include heavy checkmark abstract geometric patterns, adding a sleek and modern appeal. Heavy checkmark mountain and nature-inspired landscapes, creating a peaceful, natural aesthetic. Heavy checkmark intricate floral and mandala designs, combining beauty with spiritual and artistic significance. The depth created by layered wooden art draws attention, enhances lighting effects, and brings a contemporary touch to any space. The interplay of shadows and wood textures creates a dynamic and evolving visual experience, making it a true conversation piece. 3. Wooden shadow boxes, storytelling in a frame. A shadow box is more than just a frame. It's a miniature artistic world, carefully arranged to tell a story or highlight an artistic theme. These wooden display cases use multiple layers, cutout designs, and clever lighting to create a sense of depth and immersion. Shadow boxes are often used to display memorable scenes, intricate cutouts, or personalized themes. Some designs include heavy checkmark nature-inspired landscapes featuring forests, mountains, or underwater scenes in beautifully layered detail. Heavy checkmark cityscapes and architectural designs, capturing famous landmarks in a dimensional format. Heavy checkmark fantasy and storytelling themes, bringing fairy tales or mythical worlds to life within a wooden frame. Why are shadow boxes so unique? Small orange diamond, they combine fine woodworking with storytelling, making them artistic and meaningful. Small orange diamond, they create a fascinating depth effect, giving the illusion of motion and perspective. Small orange diamond, they can be customized, making them perfect as gifts or personal decor pieces. The craftsmanship in wooden shadow boxes makes them one of the most unique wooden decor elements, blending art, depth, and creativity in a truly spectacular way. 4. Glow-in-the-dark resin and wood decor, a mesmerizing fusion. A more modern approach to wooden decor is the fusion of wood with glow-in-the-dark resin. This technique transforms wooden pieces into mystical luminescent artworks that appear normal during the day but glow with an ethereal beauty at night. These decor pieces come in various forms, including heavy checkmark galaxy-themed wooden tables, where swirling glow-in-the-dark resin resembles stars and nebulae. Heavy checkmark tree ring wall art, where luminescent resin highlights the natural age rings of the wood. Heavy checkmark abstract sculptures, where glowing elements are embedded in wooden carvings for a futuristic effect. This modern take on wooden decor brings an element of surprise and elegance, making any room feel magical and dreamlike. 5. Wooden puzzle art, interactive and visually engaging. Wooden puzzle art is more than just decoration. It's a form of interactive, ever-changing decor. These pieces challenge the mind while enhancing a space, combining aesthetic beauty with intellectual engagement. Wooden puzzle decor can take many forms, such as heavy checkmark interlocking wooden animal figures, forming a sculptural masterpiece when assembled. Heavy checkmark modular wooden wall panels, allowing for custom configurations to suit different moods and settings. Heavy checkmark handcrafted wooden mechanical puzzles, merging engineering with artistic design. What makes wooden puzzle art unique is its ability to adapt and evolve. Owners can interact with the piece, creating a sense of personal involvement and engagement.